Piggie danced into the room. Gerald turned around confused. "Gerald!" called Piggie. "Let's dance," Piggie exclaimed. "I can teach you. I'm teaching all my friends." "I would love to learn how to dance," replied Gerald, "but elephants can't dance." Piggie pointed at Gerald and said, "You are kidding me." "No," Gerald mumbled. "Look it up on page 10. He gave a book to Piggie called What Elephants Can Do. Piggie read the book. Piggie looked surprised. "Gerald, it does not say that you can't try," exclaimed Piggie. "You are right," exclaimed Gerald happily. "I can try to dance. I will try to dance." Gerald happily, exclaimed Gerald happily. "I can try to dance. I will try to dance." Gerald walked away quickly to get his dance uniform on. "Zip! Let's dance," he shouted as he jumped in the air. Then he fell and said, "Okay, let's go," Piggie said. "Jump with me when I say count to 3. 1, 2, 3. She shouted as he jumped. Gerald could not jump. Then he jumped. "You were a little late on the jump," Piggie commented. "We will try again," exclaimed Elephant. "We will try again," Gerald said happily. Piggie said, "Move your arms this way." Piggie moved her arms this way, side to side. But Elephant moved his arms up and down. "We will try again," said Piggie. "We will try again," added Piggie. Elephant. "Lift your leg this way," instructed Piggie as she lifted her leg up and down. But Gerald moved his leg behind him. "You will try again. You will try again," said Piggie politely. "You will try again?" she asked. "We will try again, said Gerald, annoyed. "But up!" shouted Piggie as she danced in the air. "Up!" Gerald asked as he went down. "Down!" shouted Piggie. "Down!" Gerald asked as he went down. Piggie shouted, "Spin!" "Spin!" Gerald wondered. "Stop!" Piggie said. "Stop!" Elephant said as he kept spinning. "Forward!" Piggie shouted louder. Elephant went backwards as he asked, "Forward?" "Backwards!" yelled Piggie. Elephant said backwards. He was feeling frazzled. "Wiggle, wiggle!" shouted Piggie. "Wiggle, wiggle!" exclaimed Elephant. "Robot walk!" shouted Piggie. "Robot walk!" exclaimed Elephant. "Enough! I have tried and tried and tried and tried and tried," shouted Elephant. "But I am an elephant, and elephants just can't dance." Plop! He sat down. "Oh, Gerald," added Piggie. "Hello, we are ready to learn some moves," said the squirrel. "I am sorry, I can't teach you now," said Piggie. "My friend is sad." "Silly, we do not want you to teach us," said the squirrel. We want to learn the elephant," said a different squirrel. "Teach me, please," said the first squirrel. "Me too," said the second squirrel. "Me three," said Piggie. "More stealing. Keep trying. You are getting it," said Gerald.